Luma Boards is introducing illuminating skateboarding. That means we developed a product which combines the best materials of glass and wood and giving you the feeling of a skateboard which can be light up with just one click.
Skateboarding started with rebellion and the combination of materials that were not supposed to work together, combining glass and wood into a brand new product.
I'm skating for longer than 10 years right now. And skateboarding was ever a feeling combining and creating new stuff, getting along with my environment, getting new friendships and having fun. I've tried to create a new product with new materials never been created.
It is designed to have a futuristic look, designed like a hoverboard, but still give you the feeling of a board made out of wood.
Innovation and technology was always about creating new things, combining old and known stuff with new elements. So we came up with an idea that was never done before. You're not skating a normal board, you're skating light under your feet. So this is where we need your help. We're trying to raise money to get our product all over the world. Glass and wood combined in pure beauty. This is Luma Boards.
This is amazing. I'm on my sofa. I've burnt 1,000 calories watching a movie.
Hi, I'm Louis Crow, medical doctor, a researcher and an inventor. I have done the caloric equivalent of a marathon on my couch watching TV. I've even trained for a marathon with no running, no pounding of the joints, just this bionic gym. An app and a wrap that goes around your thighs. Electronic impulses stimulate the muscles to exercise. You can use it at low levels, the equivalent of walking. You can burn calories at work, maybe to slim down. You can train playing video games. Or, if you're fit, you can do an intense workout.
My heart rate is 185. It's pretty good. Let's look at the heart rate data during a session. Heart rate 54, warm up, and then peak levels. My heart is beating as fast as it can. Maintain this for an hour. And stop. I've burnt 1,000 calories. This was tough.
It's well researched and proven. We've lots of scientific publications. We've even tried it with the European Space Agency in zero gravity. It works up there too. That was fun.
Hi, I'm Barry Broderick, the electronic engineer responsible for Bionic Gym's physical device. We have a working prototype, but before we go to market, we need to shrink the size of electronic components to make it ready for mass manufacture. We need to further develop the user interface of our app to make it consumer ready. We can only achieve this with your support.
So please join us and spread the word. Importantly, pledge today so we can get Bionic Gym into production. Thank you.